invite our beloved Siti Halima. Siti, I know that you are there, so I'd like to invite. Abu Lakay is still the man with the iron fist to fix the financial system. It is already there. Nandiyan na yan. So prepare for the total blackout. Prepare that there will be power outstage. No flights, no transport, no nothing. Because this is the way that you will learn how to be humble again. Go back to the Creator. Go back with no money, with nothing, so you can learn how to become human. Magpakatao kayo. Kasi ang tao na may puso ay yan ang kilalanin ng bagong henerasyon. Napakagaling ng mga sumulpot sa panahon ngayon. Yung mga copy-paste mula sa Telegram. You are trying to present yourself to be somebody, but never step on my shoes, because I will run after you. Hindi na nagpaparaya si Queen sa panahon ngayon. That is divine justice. So, for now, I'd like to invite our beloved Siti Halima. Siti, I know that you are there, so I'd like to invite Abu Lakay.